So for today's video, I wanted to do something that was cheap, easy, and fast, which is the trifecta of a good project. I wanted to make some magnets for my fridge because I don't want a lot on there anyway, just because if you've seen my fridge, I don't want to crowd it up with stuff because it just looks nice. I do want a few things on there to hold things or just to be a cute accessory. So I wanted to see what I could create with either things I found already in my house or, more importantly, things I got from Dollar Tree for $1. When I went to Dollar Tree, I just went in with the mindset of what could make any type of magnet, even if it's not a normal magnet, something different, I don't know, what could make a magnet. And I picked up some stuff. I don't know if it's gonna turn out well, but I was like, might work, might not, but there's only one way to find out, which is to just do it. Hopefully there'll be a couple that turn out well enough that I actually want them on my fridge. Let's go. I feel like this might end up being a little too frou-frou for me, but maybe it could be cool, and at least it could be an idea for you. If it doesn't work out for me, it might work out for you. But I found some flowers at the Dollar Tree for $1, and I thought you just cut off this little bit on the back and then glue it to a magnet. You've got a flower magnet with some nice dimension and color. I need scissors. I didn't get all my supplies, did I? Where are my scissors? Also, so I'm trying to find my scissors. I just thought, as I walked by some of my old Christmas decor in the closet, it's an easy way to add some Christmas flair to your fridge during Christmas time or around the holidays. You could do like poinsettia or anything Christmassy. Put a magnet to, put it on your fridge. Anyway, I'm gonna go find my scissors. Heat that up. Alright, with this one, we cut off this piece. I don't want to take the whole thing off because I feel like the flower might fall apart then. I don't know. The glue on there. Push. Ta-da! I'm just doing 2 of these in case I like them, then I'll have a set. But will these win out and actually stay on my fridge? Okay. First one done. I only came in with half-baked ideas for all of these, so I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what size I want. I wanted these to be squares. The last Dollar Tree was out of the squares. And I have some sample paint left over from my bathroom, which will get me far. They're still pretty full. These colors gonna be everywhere in my house. Okay, I should have thought of what I wanted to do before I started. What do I want to do? Okay, I have no plan. Let's paint. Oh no! I think I'm gonna paint something simple. Uh-oh. And paint random stuff. Go! Dry, and then I'll come back to those later and maybe add a little something. What I'm gonna do for this is just kind of look up inspiration on the web of somebody who drew a line some type of lion leaf and then try to copy it. Might not be great, might be fine. Let's hope I can do this. Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good. Drawing isn't my specialty. I need a new idea. It's supposed to be one of those like one-lined minimalistic art piece. And it's supposed to be good. I need to draw something else. Is there something easy, or I could just like do a W? Maybe like a simple flower? Sometimes you really do need to just do simple. But it was a little off center, so I added more stuff. I'm making it so much worse! I just ruined this too. Those could be really cute though. So like, maybe I'll redo those in the future, but focusing my efforts to this. So I was walking through Dollar Tree and I saw this and I was like, I don't think I've ever seen something like this. So I wanted to do it because I thought it'd be really cute. But they have really light, cheap canvas. Any size you want. I thought this one would be good. But like, it's like a normal paint canvas. And you could paint your own like cute picture, or have your kid paint a cute picture, or your dog, I don't know. And then glue magnets on it, put it on your fridge like a piece of art. I'm kind of excited about this one. I actually did prepare for this one. I found something I kind of wanted to use as inspiration. Maybe I'll do something different. There's a leaf on it that I'd kind of have to draw. And I don't have faith in myself anymore to do that, so maybe I'll take the leaf out and do something else. I have a vague idea of what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go piece by piece until it maybe gets somewhere okay. I'm not gonna draw a leaf on it. So maybe I'll be okay. Next magnet set is probably going to be my favorite and the easiest and the one I use the most. I've actually been planning this one for a while and I'm just not getting around to it. But I sometimes drink Izzy's, the drink Izzy. You can do it with any bottle cap you like. It just has a cute little simple flower. So all you have to do is glue the magnet on the back. Or if you have bottle caps and you don't like them, you can like spray paint them or paint them and it'd be the bottle cap shape, but cuter if yours aren't already cute. Done. What next? I found this wooden little crate and I was like, what if you put magnets on one side, stick it to your fridge. One, you could just put anything in it if you wanted, but I thought of putting fake succulents in it, and then it'll be like a tiny little succulent garden. I don't know if I'd like that, but worth a shot. So I have this. I have these two main succulents that are fake, and I'm hoping I can just easily cut through the stem. And then I also have some extra little ones that I got for other projects. Technically, I could just do that. Those look more fake, I feel. Maybe I'll return those. This project just became easier. If you get them in already little things, just plop them in there. I had this whole thing where I bought like these styrofoam things. I was gonna cut those down, I was gonna stick them in, I was gonna put extra moss stuff. Too complicated, too much. No. Just get a little thing, put these two little succulents in it, pop some magnets on there, and voila! You've got a mini succulent crate garden. Sha-la-la. And you're done. Sometimes when I do smaller projects like this, it's because I am planning out another big project and I'm not done planning it out yet and getting ready, which is the case now. And I'm excited because it's gonna be good. So hopefully that will be my next video, is beginning the next big project. And it's gonna be my workroom. And hopefully, if I get all of my plans solidified, that will be the next video. It might be a couple of videos because it's gonna be a big project, but I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. See you then. Magnets are very magnety. Ah!